Survey. 97% of teachers use ChatGPT to develop lesson plans. What? 97% of teachers? They're like, hey, kids, you can't use it. But we can. Hey, kids, that's cheating. Except for us. A new survey by Intelligent.com shows how the artificial intelligence application called ChatGPT is pervasive in school curriculum as teachers increasingly use it to develop lesson plans and students embrace it to do their homework. Downtown Seattle-based company, which is privately funded by unknown entities, assists students through their study challenges, college application process, as well as navigating financial aid. The company said it surveyed 1,000 teachers and found that 8 in 10 teachers approve of students using ChatGPT, and nearly all teachers are using it to help them manage their work. Here's the key findings of this particular survey, which is just a particular survey from a company called Intelligent.com with about 1,000 responses. 95% of teachers surveyed said they're aware of ChatGPT. 98% use ChatGPT. Well...
95?
Well...
Yeah.
Well...
I think it's 95% or 98 of the 95%. Does that make sense? Why are you looking at me like Hey, say something.
I like your squeaky mic when it is an awkward moment and all that's left is... It's like, it reminds me of the meme, like...
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm a little skeptical of all this now, just based on the way this has been presented. And also, there was a line earlier that already got me going a little bit when they're like, the downtown Seattle-based company privately funded by unknown entities. I'm like, guys. And then just the numbers in general. 98% of teachers are using ChatGPT. Will? What? I know some teachers that aren't.
Maybe using it is like trying it out instead of using it for like a regular daily session.
Okay. All right. The survey also revealed that 97% of teachers were frequently or sometimes using ChatGPT to write lesson plans, while 93% of them were using it to help grade and provide feedback to students. 91% of teachers were using it to write their emails. Come on, dude. Really?
I don't know. Like, maybe it's just so easy and prevalent that it's like a drug. Everyone's using it.
All right.
Like microdosing or something.
All right. Okay. All right. Whatever you say, Will.
So take it with a grain of salt.
Or don't. Or don't.
Yeah.
Listen, Will chose it. He approves of it. And he stamps it.
Like, how many people in the chat use ChatGPT? You know?
But this is, all we do is talk about ChatGPT. Obviously, it's going to be high here.
Of course, yeah.
Constantly advertising it.
But if kids are using it, like students, then it would be high, percentage of teachers knowing about it and possibly using it themselves.
Okay.
It might not be 97%. I don't know.
Might be 70. Might be 79.
But I would say they would use it more often than not.
Thanks, Will.
Okay.
Woo! Shout out Later Verse. Yes, the weather is nice. Will, when is the community meetup happening?
It will be happening at a McDonald's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Everyone can get chicken Big Macs?
Oh, let's not. Let's not, please.